Good evening po, kinakabahan na. With all yung mga challenge na binigay sa amin by AVP Hoover, medyo may kaba talaga. Pero in the meantime, first, I would like to acknowledge, syempre po yung presence ng ating Congressman Ray Salvacion, our Governor, Kuya Mel, our Gasan Mayor James, and Mayor Jopen all the way from Torrejos. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Pinasasalamatan ko din po lahat ng ating agency partners, lalo na yung mga national government agencies po, mga bangko, bank managers, nandito po silang lahat. Siyempre po yung aking mga members from different town chapters, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Ang lalayo pa po ng pinanggalingan pero talagang pumunta po sila to listen to our AVP and our regional governor from Mimaropa. Kanina sa orientation, sobrang overwhelming. Kasi talagang parang sabi ko, ganito pala yung maging presidente. Kaya ko kaya ito? I know kaya ko naman. With the help, of course, ng aking mga chapter presidents, the board, and the other officers, tulong-tulong po kami para matulungan natin yung ating mga kababayan dito sa Marinduque. So first, I would like to express my sincere gratitude sa PCCI for the trust given me in leading this organization. I really feel honored, and at the time, I'm humbled to have been chosen to wear the shoes of this role. I know, kanina nga sabi ko, the journey ahead may be challenging. But I am hopeful that with your unwavering support and confidence in me, we will realize our dream, and that is to bring Marinduque to the global map. So the work of my predecessors is the foundation of what we are building and my inspiration to take the leap of faith to assume this leadership. Thank you. Pasalamatan ko si Kanggob kasi way back in 1997, he was the one who invited me bago pa lang ako sa pagninegosyo. Sabi niya sa akin, marami kang makukuha or matututunan when you join the PCCI. Pero parang hindi yun yung naiisip ko. Ang naiisip ko is, ano ba yung matutulong ko sa probinsya ng Marinduque? So, yun nga, 1997 yun. And it continued until now. 2 terms po ako na naging secretary. And marami din po akong natutunan kay Tita Mita Reyes. Siya po talaga yung mentor ko in business, mentor ko na lagi niya nasabi sa akin, kailangan mag-join ka sa organization para makatulong tayo sa kapwa natin, makatulong tayo sa mga MSMEs. We can share our talent, we can share what we know. Yun po yung pinakang naging advokasya ko na rin. Kaya tinanggap ko yung pagiging presidente ng PCCI kahit alam kong hindi yata ako parang knowledgeable masyado dito sa bagay na ito. Pero I know na in the course of time, matututunan ko rin naman lahat. Siyempre, nandyan kayo. And of course, we are partnering with the local government. So, nandun, kailangan talaga you immerse yourself. Lalo na kung isa kang negosyante, kailangan nakikiisa ka sa gobyerno para maririnig din nila yung boses natin. So as I take on this role, what rings in my mind and heart is servanthood. How can we serve our people without counting the cost? This is what our province needs. People who will serve and act beyond themselves. And this I will endeavor to do together with you all. I know it is not easy, but with the faith in God and the vision we share, this will all be possible. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.